Thank you so much, Adrian. God bless. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I'm not really good into this goodness of God, but I really love this song as well. Aray, my legs. My legs is killing me now. And now my life. Just wait a minute, guys. I'm stretching. I'm stretching my legs. I'm stretching my legs. I got what you call that one? Charles, what is binhood in English, Charles? Binhood ba, Charles ba? I don't know if you know. I don't know if you know it, Charles. And all my life. Hello, Stanley. Marmar Mix Vlog. Mega love shout out. Welcome back, Marmar. God bless you, Marmar. Thank you so much. So good. Crump. Or Charlie Horse. Yes, Jan. You got it. Charlie Horse. Charlie Horse. I understand Crump. I can't understand Charlie Horse. Is it also Charlie Horse? Okay, I will check it. I will check that term, Charlie Horse. Cramp, yes, I understand cramp. Yes, cramp, you are right. Hello, Polly. Thank you so much, Polly. Polly, God bless you, Polly. Are you a lady, Polly? And all my life, it's like a cramp. Yes, Polly. Thank you so much. I thought you left already, Polly, but painful. Yeah, you know, like how many minutes with the same position, then I feel so. No. Okay, thank you, Polly. God bless you. Thank you so much. No, my name is Paul. Okay. Thank you so much. God bless. And now my so good. But my friends call me Polly. Okay, thank you so much. God bless you. Let us see again. What you want to see, Boo? It's like an Italian boo's name. Polly. Ah, really? No, I think Paul is from English name, right? Is it Italian name? I don't think so. Disagree. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. To meet you. Nice to meet you too, Polly. God bless you, Polly. Welcome to my small channel. Hope you like and subscribe. Karaoke, let's go. Tara, let's Charles. Let's go karaoke. Yes, watch Goodfellas the movie. Goodfellas. Okay, I will take note of that, Polly. Take note for that movie. I will take the screenshot so that I will not forget. I took screenshot so that I will not forget about that movie, what you said. The way you were stretching. Good, Polly. I will watch it. Robert De Niro. Someone is looking beautiful. Present. Farhan Khan, thank you so much. I'm present. Present. Famous actor. Robert De Niro. Okay, Polly, I will check it out. Edel Salva, hello, welcome. Sunip Pungin, I'm working in sales, Sunip. I'm working in sales. To the goodness of God. Farhan Khan Badshah. I love you more. I love you more. Edel Salva, thank you. God bless. Please like